Kusha grass is considered highly sacred. Sages often sit on kusha grass mats when they do their meditation. Such mats are called Kush Asana. Our natural kusha grass mat is made for meditation and yoga specially and are hand-woven. These mats are ideal as seats while doing rituals and meditation. Handcrafted mat from natural grass, kusha grass. Traditional hand-weaving technique using cotton yarn. Eco-friendly and washable, sleek and lightweight, compact, foldable. Available in variety of colors and sizes. Helps connect with the earth energy easily, thus balancing the root chakra. Ideal for use during yoga, meditation, beaches, spas and religions institutions.